In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to DocuSign a Word document. Whether you're handling sensitive legal paperwork or a simple agreement between colleagues, DocuSign can streamline the process and ensure everything is signed, sealed, and delivered in an efficient manner. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your DocuSign account through the website. This is your central hub for managing all your signature tasks, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Once logged in, navigate to the New option where you will find a couple of choices. If you're looking to sign a document yourself, choose Sign a Document. However, if you're planning to send documents out to others for their signatures, select Send an Envelope. This terminology, though unique, simply refers to bundling your document in a way that's ready to send out to recipients. Now, upload your Word document. It can be in either .doc or .docx format, so make sure your file is saved appropriately. If you are the only signer, your next step is to place your signature field in the document. DocuSign offers an intuitive interface for this, allowing you to drag and drop your signature exactly where it needs to go. If you have additional fields to fill out, there's no need to worry, as DocuSign also has options for other required fields such as date or initials. A handy tip is to take your time here to ensure accuracy and completeness. However, if you're sending the document to others, there's an additional layer of preparation needed. Start by adding the recipient's details, specifically their name and email address. It is crucial to get these details right, as any mistake could delay the signing process. Next, specify the role each person will play. Beyond being a signer, someone might simply need viewing access, so make sure to clarify these roles up front. You can also set the order in which the document needs to be signed, which is particularly useful for documents requiring signatures in a certain sequence. Once that's done, place the various fields in the document that correspond to each recipient. After you've laid everything out, take a moment to review the fields and the document as a whole. Once satisfied, if you're sending it to others, click Send. If you're the only signer, click Finish to complete your part of the transaction. The recipients will receive an email with a link enabling them to sign, and if you're signing, you'll proceed immediately to affix your electronic signature. Finally, when all parties have signed, or if it's just you, once you've completed your signing, it's time to get copies of the signed document. Download the completed document along with the certificate of completion. Both are essential for your records, providing verification that all signatures are genuine and final. This last step secures your documentation, ensuring that you have everything you need for future reference. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to using DocuSign with your Word document.